Hello everyone. So this is Sukhneer Singh. Today I am in Pichapuram, which is near Puducherry, and I am with Indian creators who are my really good friends. So today from them on this trip, I'll ask them what do they think about NFT, especially in context of Indian creators. Let's learn from them. See. We are with RJ, who is also a NAS Academy creator, and with me for this Metaverse internship. RJ, tell me, what do you think? What is the scope in NFTs for Indian creators?
Whether you're an artist or a musician, NFT is for everyone, right? But if you have to say Indian creators in the NFT space, there is a lot of limitations because what I feel right now is there's so many NFT creators, but their artwork is just sold for hardly like $50, $100. I think those creators deserve more. Maybe those artworks are getting sold for cheap because they are hosted on an Indian platform, which is an NFT platform. So if they make a community around their artwork, the chances are that an Indian creator might be the next, Bored Ape kind of PFP projects and stuff like that, the profile picture project. So I think India is lacking in that aspect of creating PFP projects like 10K pictures and stuff like that. So if Indian creators tap that, the growth will be exponential. But for now, creators, artists are taking use of only the solo art, or they're just doing it in their Viacom and posting it, or in a Blender and just posting it. But I think it's time to step up the game and move from the traditional and modern art space to actual NFT space, whatever is trending in the PFP kind of style.
Awesome. I think that is huge. I would say in a way it's also a motivation for Indian creators. That what RJ spoke, right? That's really helpful. I think this is going to help all our viewers. And see, guys, this is how Indian creators think about the fellow Indian creators in NFT space. We have Chaitanya. Chaitanya is a music producer and creates original music of himself. And now we'll ask Chaitanya, what is his view on NFTs, and especially when they're created by Indian creators. What do you think, Chaitanya?
Personally, if I were to speak about Indian creators in general or India in general, we are a very diverse country.
Yeah.
Like right now, we are at a place which is far away from Chennai in Tamil Nadu, which I have never come. So like if you see, there are arts or just things that are very endemic or exotic to this location here. And these could be anything from your embroidery patterns to like anything from not just arts to lifestyle. And personally, I think NFTs are going to represent lifestyle in future more than arts right now. So Indian creators will have some scope to translate this into NFTs and maybe show the world something new that we haven't been able to. Like there's a lot of things that the world has not seen about Indian creators till now. It's kind of hidden in different small towns or like small areas. NFTs, if used successfully, if marketed well by the governments, by organizations, or like if there's a central push, because there's not a lot of investments involved here, can do wonders for Indian creators.
Right? Yeah, so that's also a very different viewpoint. And see, guys, this is how Indian creators think about NFTs. So now we have Yashika with me, who is a scientist, who is a choreographer, who is an entrepreneur, so many things, okay? And let's see what's her viewpoint about this NFT, especially for Indian creators. So Yashika, tell us, what do you think?
I think in India, a lot of people undervalue their art so much. They think that maybe I can do art only for passion, but I may not be able to sell it because zyada se zyada I'll have only my friends, my family who will be interested in doing that. For them, I think NFT is a fantastic place because they get A worldwide audience, B, exposure to meet n number of people from all across the world, C, to be a part of a global cultural movement, D, to make their voices be heard. And I think all this together is going to empower the artists so much that they will finally, imagine the first art being sold for some amount of ether, and that I think will boost the self-confidence to a level that even they can think that yes, we have an audience that is interested in our art, that will push them to make more of it and also make a name in this space for them. So
Awesome.
learn more about it and be curious.
Thank you so much, Yashika. I think that was really helpful for all Indian creators. So great, guys. You have really good views about NFT creators. So waiting for your NFT, guys. Waiting for your NFTs.
Very
Sayed. Your NFT, Yashika. And this is see for yourself, Chaitanya. Thank you so much, Chaitanya, for shooting this video in this pink cover.
मेरा phone famous हो गया.
Thank you, RJ, for taking care of our